You know, I've been yanking these cars for so long. When people come running after me and they chase me down, they scream at me and threaten to do something to me. It just kind of seems normal. I just do what I do, man, and I watch my back, man, every day. Anyway. Hey there, tow trucker here. We got a couple bad taggers right here. They tell us to get these cars off this property. So I'm gonna start loading up, I reckon. What's going on, man?
Yes.
That's a crappy way to wake up, ain't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I can put it back in the same spot.
Yes, sir. The pressure is mine.
Okay.
I just bought it.
Tell you what, that's fine. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna drop this one right here, and I'm gonna pull over there and put it in the same spot.
Okay.
If she'll come back out, or you come back out, I'll give you a receipt in just a minute.
Okay.
Let me go ahead and drop it. Thank you, man. Hey there. Looks like we got somebody parked over here in the grass. That's to keep people from pulling back here. What a freaking idiot, man. I'm tearing up the grass. Uh-oh. Looks like we got somebody that's suffering from a strong sense of entitlement right here. This guy parked his box truck in two parking places right in the front, and he's not, this guy's not in the process of moving. This vehicle was stickered. This vehicle was stickered yesterday. But anyway, he can't park there, man. The managers told me to tow this vehicle specifically, told me to get it off the property. I don't know why this guy's double parked, or why he thinks he can do that, but we're gonna load it up, man. I don't think this guy's gonna be very happy about it. I don't particularly like to haul stuff this big on this truck, because rightfully it's too big for this truck. Only problem is we had to get this vehicle. This manager, she wanted this vehicle removed off the property, so I didn't have no choice but to get it. So here we are. We're back at the lot, man. We're gonna offload it, man, and get out of here. Hey there. We're back at it again. We got this car, this little Scion, little sports car, and they want this car towed out of here. They say he's been playing cat and mouse with it. Property manager, he's been moving it around to numerous different locations, trying not to get towed. But we showed up today, and it's we found it, so it's fixing to get loaded. This property manager actually He came down here and watched me tow this one. He's been trying to get this guy to move it off the property for a while. And we have to make these people happy. And if towing cars is what makes the managers happy, then that's what we do. Anyway, I'm off to the next one. We're pulling up to another expired tag impound, man. So I'm gonna go over here and load it up, man. Your car? You have the opportunity to pay it out if you want.
Sí, ya estoy.
Yeah, it's 100. ¿Tú, dinero?
La llave.
Yeah. A card?
No, no la tengo acá, se la llevaron.
No tengo? Okay, okay.
Okay.
Lo siento.
Yeah.
It's mi trabajo. Okay, thank you. I believe this this lady's decided she's going to pay it out, and it'll save her $75 if she pays it out now, which is you know, $75 is a lot of money. If she could save $75, just as soon see her and not have to pay the extra money. She was very nice and didn't even act mad, so I'm gonna see what she's gonna do. Let's see. Oh yeah. Okay. Get you $100. Cash. Hey. Put that in the car. In the car.
Okay.
And put it on the window.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you very much. And you can and telephone on the office.
Okay. Es este.
Yeah. No. The office
abajo.
here. Let
Okay.
them know. Hey, it's me.
Ah, bueno.
Yeah.
chévere,
Okay.
está
Okay.
bien,
Thank you very much.
gracias.
You have a key? Do you have a key?
No la tengo acá.
That's okay. I'll put it back.
Entonces me
No
la
problem.
tienes que
I'll put it back in the same spot. Okay.